Hello friends, in this session we shall understand how to change the run level in which the operating system RHEL will boot. For this we have a configuration file /etc init tab. If you are seeing to the bottom line, you can see ID which states init default : Runlevel 3. It simply means that whenever the machine will boot up, by default it will boot to the Runlevel 3, and the third option is init default. So let's try to understand the run levels. Run level 0 states halt, means if we are typing the command init 0, it states that the machine will be powered off. So it should never be placed at this location after ID. So it should never be the default boot level, and neither should 6 be the default boot level, because in case we have the boot level as 6, by default it will continually rebooting. So the server will never come up. As soon as it's brought up, it will be sent a command to boot in run level 6 which states reboot. So the server will continuously be rebooting. So let's come to the single user mode, which states for run level 1, which is generally used in case we want to boot the operating system with the least number of services running. This is basically used for diagnostics or changing the passwords in case we don't remind of the root password. Second is multi-user without NFS support. Third is full multi-user mode with networking. Fourth is the run level, which could be customized by anyone to allow whatever scripts are to be run. And run level 5 states GUI. So in case we want to boot the operating system Red Hat into the graphical user interface using StartX, so we should use run level 5. So let's change the run level of the operating system so that every time when it boots, it will boot up with a GUI into run level 5. For this we'll be editing the file /etc init tab, and we'll be changing this value from 3 to 5 and just :w to write and quit. Just reboot the operating system, and the next time it will boot, it will be booting into GUI. This run level can be superseded by a run level when you edit the line corresponding to kernel in grub menu.list, or you can specify or modify the grub menu when it boots up. So here this time you can see that it's booting into the graphical interface. Specify the username and the password. So it states that root user should not use the GUI. And here we are by default into the run level 5. Just to confirm the run level in which we are, just type the command run level, and you can see that the present run level is 5 and n states none. So okay, you are confused.